Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys my everyday go-to lip combos for women of color. If you're not a woman of color, you can also try these combinations because I feel as if it can work for a variety of women, different shades, different colors, wherever you're from. It can go for you, okay? So let's get started. Let me get rid of this. This is my bare lips, guys. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is kind of like an ombre lip, kind of nude. I'm going to be using these Infallible L'Oreal matte stain lip swatches. I'm going to list all of the products that I do use at the bottom of the description area, just in case you guys, want to go out and explore and actually try out some of these lippies. Then you guys will be able to do that. So the first thing that I do is I take this color. It's L'Oreal Paris Yum 856, and I'm gonna use that to line my lips. A lot of people use lip liner, but I just find it easier to use a darker lipstick or a lip stain to line my lips because I just feel like it's easier for me to like maneuver around. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna just line my lips with it. And one thing that I found is that changed the game is that I line above my lip line, and that actually accentuates my lips and brings it out a little bit more. Now that I'm done lining my lips with the darker color, I'm gonna go in with the same InfalliblePro Matte Liquid Lipsticks in the color 852, and I'm gonna use that in the center of my lips. And if you guys see me looking this way, because I have a mirror, just so I can see exactly like what I'm doing. So I go ahead and I blotch it out. A lot of people I've seen, they use like different brushes to do like their blotching or their mixing. I just like using my finger because I feel like using your body heat, it helps mix in the colors and helps it blend, so it just looks better. So this is my first look, guys, and it's just very subtle, and your lips are just brought out, and it just like, look, it's like a whole period. Like, you just don't want to look too much, but you don't want to look too little. This is a perfect lip combo for you. And I'm going to move on to the next one. And I'm going to be using baby wipes, but I'm also going to be dipping it in my tub of coconut oil because that really, really, really helps when it comes to removing lipsticks from your mouth. I took off most of the matte color from the inside, and I kind of want to just keep the exterior lip line right there because I'm gonna show you a gloss version of it. I'm gonna go in with this gloss. This has become one of my everyday go-to glosses, dark glosses, and it's by Revlon, and it's called The Gloss Super Luxurious. And this is in the color Choco Crush. And I just can use that, and I'm gonna go over the lined lip that I already have. So now it's a little bit glossy around my lips and then at the top as well. And then I'm gonna go in with this NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place it in the middle. And that is just like a glossy version of what we just had. You can change it up using like different, shades, and it changes the variation of how your lips are gonna look. But I really like this look as well. Now we're gonna move on to the next look. We're gonna dabble in some reds. So if you guys have ever seen those kind of burlesque, I don't know how to say it. Is it burlesque or burlesque? You guys can go ahead and tell me what you guys think I'm trying to say in the comment section, because I feel like I know what I want to say, but because I'm bilingual, sometimes the things that I want to say just comes out wrong. So if you guys know what I'm trying to say, just comment it down below. We're gonna go in with a more burlesque look, like flappers. We're gonna go in with like a darker tint, and then we're gonna go into like a nice rich red. For this one, we're gonna be going with like a rose bloody look. This one's a little bit more burgundy, and I'm gonna use that to line my lips. This is my lips already lined up with the burgundy. And then I'm gonna go in with a rich red. And this one is also by the same brand. Like I said, I'll list all of them down below just in case you guys wanna go and grab some. And then I'm gonna dab it. And a lot of times you might wanna wait for it to like dry up to see the full effect of how the lip looks, but the lip goes from a darker tint, and then it goes down to a nice, a little bit brighter red. This is another one of my go-to colors. Once it dries up, because I'm doing like different swatches, I'm not gonna wait until it dries up so you guys can see like the full blown glam, but you guys kind of see or get a picture of what kind of look we're going for. This is really nice for, you know, a date night. Even if you want to dress down and just have this, you know, lip combination, it just looks really, really good. And you don't need any like harsh pencil liners. We just use different colors to just achieve this look. So I just really like it. Ruby Ray used. That's a nice look. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this butter gloss in the color Ginger Snap. I'm gonna use this to actually go around my lips. All right, and then after that, I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty Tinted Juice Infused Lip Gloss in Perfect Nude. And I'm gonna place that right in the center. And this one is a little bit more pigmented. It's not that transparent. I'm just gonna place it right in the center. So this one is also one of my to-go-to favorites. All of this you can get from the drugstore. It's not really expensive. You don't have to go out your way to Sephora or anything like that. It's at arm's reach. So hopefully after the quarantine, you guys will be able to go back to your slayage, okay? All right, so next one, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this 24-hour CoverGirl matte lipstick. This one is in the color Watch Me Regardes Moi. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, this is the same lip liner that I used for my graduation pictures. If you guys would like to go see what I'm talking about, I'm gonna leave my Instagram and my Snapchat information down below, just in case you guys, you know, want to check up on the kid. So I went ahead and I just brushed it a little bit around my lips. And growing up, I was very, very hesitant on the different types or different combinations of lipsticks that I could try, because I do have big lips and I didn't want my lips to be like, boom, like I didn't want it to be too out there. So I have to find a way for it to be like, okay, subtle enough, but not too much. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Stains. And I did a review on a collection of the matte ink lip stains a while ago. It's one of my videos. I'm gonna probably put it here at the side of the video just so you guys can go look at when I did swatch them, just in case you guys want some. And this is in the color 70 Amazonian. And this one is kind of like a ginger color. So I'm gonna put that in the center of my lips. And this is a matte lip stain. So I'm just gonna, and then afterwards, when I feel like the tackiness is kind of going away, I'm gonna use my finger, because you know it's warm. I'm gonna tap it over my lips. So this is how that combo looks together. This is just a really nice combo. If you want to, you know, put a little bit of gloss on here, if you don't like the matte look, I found this Madeline, you know, lip gloss. It's like natural luster, and it has like slight shimmers in it. You can go ahead and put it on top depending on what occasion you're using it for. And you can put some on your lip. It just brings a slight shine, and I don't use too much. Just a little bit for the top, a little bit for the bottom, and I go from the inside, and that's the same look but a little bit more glossier. Same look, a little bit more gloss. Again, we're gonna go over it with the 24-hour matte lip stain. You're just gonna do a slight brush over. And this time we're gonna go in with another NYX Butter Gloss, and this one is in the color Fortune Cookie. So this one's a little bit more pigmented, but I try not to use that much. And I just place it right here in the center, and I dab it out. This one is another one. It's a little subtle. It's not too bright, and I feel like you can wear it anywhere. So this is another one of my go-tos. And you notice that you can use different products together or in conjunction, and you can still come out with similar looking lips, but you know, just sometimes the tints will change. Now for my final look, I'm actually gonna be using a actual liner, but it's not exactly a lip liner. I'm gonna use a black eyeliner, and I'm going to slightly line my lips so it's not that dark. So I'm gonna light strokes. I don't want the dark liner to be too dark. So you see how my lips are coming out a little bit more, but I am not making it too dark. Okay, this is not a Nigerian movie. You're gonna not be as heavy-handed. You just want your lips to come out a little bit more. And do the same thing to my bottom lip. Alright, so I went ahead and I lined up my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with this NYX High Volume Lipstick. It's very, very small. I just usually use it for like a slight highlight. And I'll put a little bit on my bottom lip. And then I'll put some on my top lip. I'm gonna blotch it out. And then you can go in with any type of gloss that you have, but right now at hand, I have this Tinted Ruby Kiss Minty Lip Gloss, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it on top. And this does have like a pink tint because the gloss is a little bit pink. And that is the look that I came up with for the last one. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that I was able to inspire you guys to also make your own combos so you can use for your day-to-day looks. And I'll leave every item that I use and down below in the description area, just in case you guys want to go out and grab some after the quarantine. I hope you guys and your families are keeping safe, social distancing, and washing your hands. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new here, go ahead and click the bell and the subscription button just so you're notified whenever I do upload a video. Thank you guys so much again, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.